As the world becomes increasingly digital, online job opportunities are becoming more popular than ever. One such opportunity is using ChatGPT as a job description writer on Fiverr. Fiverr is an online platform where freelancers can offer their services to clients all around the world. ChatGPT, a large language model trained by OpenAI, can be used to generate high-quality job descriptions quickly and efficiently. To earn $500 per day using ChatGPT as a job description writer on Fiverr, you would need to have a strong understanding of the job market and the ability to write compelling and accurate job descriptions. Offer different packages to cater to the needs of different clients. For example, you could offer a basic package that includes a single job description, a standard package that includes 3 job descriptions, and a premium package that includes 5 job descriptions. Use ChatGPT to generate job descriptions quickly and accurately. Make sure to edit and customize the job descriptions to suit the needs of the specific job and the client's requirements. Provide excellent customer service to build a positive reputation on Fiverr. Respond promptly to client inquiries and deliver high-quality work on time. By following these tips, you can become a successful job description writer on Fiverr using ChatGPT and earn $500 per day.